Did your child receive a traffic ticket? First of all, don't panic. There are going to be instructions on the ticket as to what you should or should not do. Date, time, and location are generally present on the ticket themselves. Police officers will usually give instructions as to how to proceed. If you're under 18 years of age, you do have to appear at a court appearance. That can be done either in person at any one of our 3 traffic court locations or via Zoom. We encourage Zoom for our high volume court calls, which are traffic court, because it does serve a couple of different purposes. First of all, you shouldn't have to take off too much time or drive to the courthouse, so that saves you on gas, saves you on time, and then you would attend court just like you would anywhere else. Just wait for your case to be called and then talk to either the judge or the prosecutor. So if you wish to attend court via Zoom, you can go to our website at canecourt.org. In order to prepare your child for traffic court, the first question you have to ask yourself is, are you looking to resolve the case by some type of agreement, or are you looking to actually contest the case? Ultimately, you should understand that there can be consequences, depending on if there's a plea or a finding of guilty, to your child's driving privileges. So it's very important to be prepared ahead of time and know what the possible consequences could be. That would be something that you would need to discuss with an attorney potentially before you go. As the minor who is attending court, it's very important to understand that you are in a formal proceeding. So dress appropriately, of course, answer questions, yes, no, yes sir, no sir, if you can, but make sure you're paying attention to everything that's going on while you're in the courtroom. You can pay for traffic tickets either online with a credit card. There are fees that are a little bit high when you pay online, but you could go in person to any one of our court facilities and pay for any ticket in person. So as a parent of a child who is going to traffic court, it's very important to understand, again, that the possible consequences against your child's driver's license from attending court. So it's very important to educate yourself before you go. Again, highly recommend that you talk to an attorney ahead of time. There are a number of tickets that have no consequence, but there are a number that have significant consequences. So you may want to be prepared ahead of time to make sure you know what the possible outcomes could be.